You want to run me off? Really? You're a mountain skull? You're f***ing wrong. You know you're wrong. You don't pull out. Oh. No, it's a stop sign. It's a stop sign. Ooh. Kill fall. Yeah, yeah. Use the crossing, dude. Quite careful. No light. No light. What are you doing? I mean, seriously, stopping on the zebra crossing. Are you mental? That's the opposite side of the road. Really? Are you a mountain skull? Really? You want to run me off? Really? You're a mountain skull? And you're on the phone? You're f***ing wrong. You know you're wrong. What are you doing? So. Seriously? Really? You're really not looking? You're looking that way? Seriously? Oh! God. What are you doing, Paul? What are you going to do? Come here.